Word of the day, scrupulous. Ever met someone who reads terms and conditions? For fun? Yeah. This word is about that level of seriousness. Scrupulous basically describes someone who is extremely careful about doing things properly, like painfully careful. It means being very thorough and honest, like checking your text 5 times before sending, and still worrying you spelled hi wrong. My scrupulous friend proofread a birthday card, and rejected it for emotional inconsistency. Subscribe for your daily dose of words, because thingy isn't a personality.